Good morning everyone and welcome back to Groove Drives. I'm at Grubbs Family Dealerships and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Nissan Rogue Platinum. This vehicle has 201 horsepower with a turbocharged 1.5 liter 3-cylinder and it has a continuously variable transmission. Yeah, this is the Platinum, so it's pretty nice in here actually. I like the new Nissan logo. Actually, I really like it. It's a good upgrade over the previous one. I just like the white contrast in the lettering and the badge. You have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with shift paddles. You have the shifter you find in a lot of Nissans and in some Infiniti products. 360-degree camera system and backup camera. Heated front seats. You also have a heated steering wheel, as you can see right there. You have a digital gauge cluster. I like the gauge cluster, it looks pretty nice. It's a nice car. For a Rogue, it's quite nice in here, can't even lie. With it being the Platinum. I really like the diamond stitching in the seats. You have Sport, Standard, and Eco mode. You have memory seats. And here's your key fob on this Rogue. This is a new Nissan key fob. They finally changed it after many years of using that same one. Same with Infiniti. They both had that really old key fob for 10 to 15 years or so, maybe. And you have remote start on the key fob. Let's walk around this Rogue, see what it looks like. This is a white color. Nice wheels, split headlight design, daytime running lights are on top, projectors down below. It looks pretty good actually. You have a Platinum badge to show people that you got a Platinum. Oh, there it is. As I said, I really like that Nissan logo. It looks pretty good. Here's the cargo space in the trunk. You can also pull that cargo cover back if you don't want people looking at your stuff. Rear seats also have the diamond stitching. It's quite nice. You even have rear sunshades. That's a nice touch. I like it. Center console storage is nice. But let's get this Rogue out on the road and see what it's like to drive. You also have a panoramic sunroof, forgot to mention that. I'm gonna slide it back all the way so I can have some light in the cabin. Like how you can, I just like the gauge cluster. It's a good looking gauge cluster. Like this interior is pretty dang nice. This is like better than the interior you find in like an Infiniti QX50, right? Because this is like the more updated interior, so it's impressive that Nissan has these nice interiors. And it's an interesting dash. You have like, it's a leather dash, which is impressive, and you also have brown on the dash. It's a two-tone dash. You have a Bose sound system in this vehicle. Nissan and Infiniti use Bose. It is not bad in terms of acceleration, despite having the horsepower it has and having a 3-cylinder with a CVT. This is not bad at all. This definitely gets the job done in terms of accelerating. Yeah, I mean, it's quicker than I thought it would be. It's not bad at all. I mean, if you're just looking for a car to get around in every day, which is comfortable, it drives pretty good. Like, the acceleration's not bad at all. Like, I'm impressed with that. Can't even lie. I mean, it's front-wheel drive, so you definitely have some torque steer. Please excuse me. Just cold weather's gotten to me a little bit. Pretty smooth drive. Visibility is good too. Nice turn. Let's hit the gas here. That's foot to the floor. Excuse me. But so as I was saying, acceleration's not bad for what it is. I thought it would be a lot slower. So yeah. But overall, it has some good features. Very good looking interior. Pretty nice to drive. I don't really, for what it is, it's a nice car. And Nissan definitely did a good job with their newer interiors. Pretty premium. Like the diamond stitching isn't something you don't really see often in a car at this class or price point and such. Brakes here real quick at the stoplight. Pretty nice. But yeah, the touchscreen's easy to use. Like it's good. I mean, the CVT, I'm not a fan of CVTs at all. It definitely holds back a lot of Nissan products. But most people don't really care. They don't even know what a CVT is or anything about transmissions. So as long as the car drives nice and has some good features, most people don't really care. I like how when I was getting close to something and pull up the 360 camera, that's a good touch. And I also have a wireless charging, you also have a wireless charging tray over there. You can see my phone in there. And it's like blinking, I guess, to show it's in there. But yeah, nice resolution camera as well. Overall, a pretty nice vehicle. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this 2023 Rogue Platinum.